guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work with number-based conversions because I did a poll on my community and a lot of you guys were voting on that. So the first thing we're going to do is binary conversion, how to convert from binary to decimal and decimal to binary. We are going to start by decimal to binary in the easiest way possible. So here we are going to do a little table, 128, 64, like the 8 bits. 32, here we are going to put 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1, a little table. And now let's convert a value to that. So we are going to work with 14 decimal to binary. What's going to be base 2? So let's check it out. So here, this method is pretty simple. Can you subtract this value from 14? You cannot because it's too big. So we are going to mark 0 because you cannot do that. And can you do this with this one? No, you cannot either because it's too high. Can you subtract this value from 14? You cannot because it's too high. So it's 0 as well. And this is the same thing. But can you subtract 8 from 14? Yes, you can. The result is going to be 6. So you're going to mark this as 1 because a subtraction is possible. And here I like to mark the result just to remember what the result was. And now, can you subtract this from 4? So can you subtract like 4 from 6? Yes, you can do that. So 6 minus 4 is going to be 2. So here's 1 because the subtraction is possible. Here 2 because the result. And here, 2 minus 2, it's possible to do the subtraction. So you mark 1 here because it's possible and 0 here because it's the result. And here we mark 0 because this subtraction is not going to be possible. So here the result for like 14 base 10, how it's 14 base 10 and base 2 is going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Yeah, guys, so this is the result in base 2. And if you guys want to check out what the value is, because I advise you guys to practice at home with different values so you get better on that, you can use this website. Like guys, this website, Rapid Tables, you can use, like for example, converting decimal to binary. Let's test it out. 14 going to be, yes, the value that we got. I made the value in 8 bits there because I wanted, but you can also like answer like that. So the result is correct. Alright guys, now you know how to convert from decimal to binary. Now I'm going to show the opposite. Now to do the opposite, it's very simple. I'm going to create a random number here, like this. And you try to find out what's the value in decimal or base 10. Like decimal is also called base 10. So here, it's going to be 0. Here, 64. You have 64 because it's on this position. You have 0, 0. Here you have 0, 0, 1, 1. We already know it's not a pair number. So yes, it's going to be 64 plus 2, 66, plus 1, 67. So this value is 67 base 8. Pretty simple, guys. It's the easiest way. And if you want to check it out, let's see on Rapid Tables again. And it's correct. So guys, this is it. I hope this video helped you. If you have any suggestions or comments, please leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you very much for your attention and I'll see you next time.